If the skirting boards haven't been removed in the room, tape these to avoid staining them. Make sure the temperature in the room is at least 18 degrees Celsius. Stir the can well before use. Start the application at the edges. This is easily done with a brush. Apply thinly. BONA Create can be applied by trowel. Pour a small puddle on the floor and spread it over the floor. Alternatively, the application can be made with a buffing machine. As soon as the application has been completed, or within 15 minutes, remove all remaining surplus stain with a cloth. The long open time ensures an even coloration of the surface and virtually no risk of overlapping. After using BONA Create, make sure to place used cloths and all other contaminated fibrous material in a sealed metal container or in a plastic bag with water. Allow BONA Create to dry for 24 hours. Buff the floor once again with a cloth.